finally opening the Rebel Bakehouse pastry box in time for breakfast that I bought the other day as pasalubong for my cousin and family. I did sample all 3 pastries, ube croissant, fried yema, and ensaimada. All of them were simply delicious, and my cousin learned something new from me about Baguio. We are now in Pampanga, and I will be staying here for the next couple of days, so stay tuned for a whole new set of adventures. My brother dropped me off at the Marquee Mall last night to meet up with other family members, and they live in Angeles City. So last night, aside from going around the Marquee Mall, eating some great desserts, we also went around town just to sort of drive through the town. Wow, it's pretty much a new Korean town. So many Korean businesses around. There are so many cute cafes around town. My cousin and I actually dropped by 1 or 2 of them last night, and they are super, super cute. Definitely nothing comparable to the Bay Area cafes. I mean, they go big over here. Happy New Year! Trying to get myself fitted for a night guard. That late afternoon, we went to the Bella Montana farm at Clark City for a bird's eye view of the surrounding mountains and a view of Mount Arayat. So we are having lunch right now. Just me and my mom. Everybody else is somewhere else. We actually had plans today, but plans have just been so elusive in the last day or so. So I'm trying to work on my vlogs. Putting some time putting it together. Later that afternoon, we visited another cousin who lived close by. This house and home is special to my mom, as this was my parents' planned retirement property. That evening, my mom and I were treated to a one-night stay at the Swissotel Clark City. And for a late-night snack, cousins brought delicious treats that included the best bibingka ever, tasty chocolate de baterol, cheesy puto bumbong, and ice cream. And a new adventure begins. We are on the road to Baler. It's a little rainy, a bit cooler than Baguio, but we are close to our destination, about an hour to go. After we arrived in Baler, we checked in at Costa Pacifica, a family-friendly beachfront hotel. Ending the night at Costa Pacifica's The Beach House restaurant. And we are at the end of this episode. So stay tuned. More to come. Thanks for watching.